whatever you're hearing out there in terms of what's going on right now with supply, prices going down, you know what? You're not investing because you're going to make money today. You're investing because of what's going to happen 5, 10 years from now. Real estate has to be looked at long term. On January 29th, the Bank of Canada reduced its interest rate by another 25 basis points. This is the 6th time the Bank of Canada has reduced its interest rate since June 2024. Do we expect more decreases? Yes, we expect at least 3 more decreases throughout 2025 by 25 basis points. Each time they decrease, where Bank of Canada will finish at around 2% by the end of the year. So what can we expect in 2025? For consumers to gain more confidence. They're seeing the interest rates are coming down, they've been holding off for a while, and now they're going to come out and start looking. Let's look at the resale market. So the resale market is detached homes, semi-detached, and townhomes. As we all know, detached, semi-detached, and townhomes have done very well. The reason why is because we don't have a lot of product and people will always want what we don't have. So the low-rise market, freehold will do very well. Sales will increase from 5% to 10% and pricing will increase from 2% to 5%. Now let's look at the resale condo market. Resale condo market, there's a lot of inventory. The reason why is because we're delivering 30,000 new condominiums this year. And that's the highest record we've ever done in history. And what this will do is that we will add a lot of supply and prices will stay either flat or come down. So what does this mean for buyers? Well, for first-time home buyers or for anybody thinking of upsizing to a 2-bedroom condo or for anybody thinking of downsizing to a condo or even a brand new condo, this is the right time. The reason why it's the right time because there's a lot of product, a lot of supply, which gives you more options to look and pick and choose and negotiate in pricing too as well. So for condominiums, it's a buyer's market. This is the time to buy. Prices are low. There's a lot of inventory to choose from. There's a lot of brand new condos being delivered. Interest rates are low. This is the time to buy. But brace yourself. I've said this so many times in my previous videos. This is only a limited time, and I'm gonna share with you why. You see, this year we will be delivering 30,000 new condos, a record-breaking year of deliveries. But come 2026 and 2027, we will only be delivering 18,000 condos. And then in 2029 and 2030, we're going to be delivering 9,000 and then 5,000 condos. You don't need to be an economist to find out what's going to happen to supply and demand. This is the right time to buy because come 2026, 2027, where we will have less deliveries, no supply, and more demand, that's when prices are going to be increasing. So a lot of the videos that you're watching now today, including the news, the newspapers, everybody's talking about we have so much supply about condos, prices are coming down, don't buy a condo because they're going to decrease in price. I can tell you that that's fake news. What we have to look at is the stats, the numbers, the facts, and what's going to happen in the future. What you need to be looking at is immigration to begin with. Yes, Canada decreased immigration this year and for the next 2 years, but we're still receiving around 400,000 people coming into the country every year. The reason why is because Canada has a population target for the next 15 to 20 years, and they're going to meet it. Canada needs to bring in at least 1% of our population into immigration each and every year. And guess what? Since we're not delivering enough homes, but we're bringing in more people, what do you think is going to happen to the housing market? You see the government coming out with garden suites, laneway homes. They're trying to find how we can increase housing. The reason why is because we have population coming in no matter what. We can't stop this, but we're not delivering enough homes. The reason why you're seeing 30,000 new condos being delivered this year is because we sold it back in 2020, 2021. It's based on our past sales. And since we haven't been selling pre-construction in 2023, 2024, and in 2025, all developers have stopped, What do you think is going to happen 5 years from now when we come to deliver product? There will be no product. There will be no housing. We will be in a major housing shortage. And with population coming in each year and every year, you really don't need to be an economist or even know math to see what's going to happen. So right now is the perfect time to buy. Now let's look at the pre-construction market. The pre-construction market, it's even in a better opportunity for investors. Last year, we only sold 4,500 units, the worst year in history, which means we didn't make any sales last year. So what do you think is going to happen to deliveries 5 years from now? Like I said, in 2029, 2030, we will be delivering less than 5,000 homes. So this is the opportunity an investor should be looking at. Buying a condominium right now at the lowest prices with amazing incentives and promotions for developers, and wait for these units to get delivered in 2028, 2029 when it's needed the most, when there's no supply and there will be tons of demand. This aligns beautifully for investors because they're investing in a unit right now at the lowest price, and it's aligned perfectly to be delivered 3 to 5 years from now when demand will be there, rental rates will increase, and prices will increase. So take advantage of this market. Take advantage of the condo market and the resale market. Take advantage of the pre-construction market as an investor, and even the assignment market. Whatever you're hearing out there in terms of what's going on right now with supply, prices going down, you know what? You're not investing because you're going to make money today. You're investing because of what's going to happen 5-10 years from now. Real estate has to be looked at long term. You want to make money in the real estate market, you should be looking at what's going to happen 5 or 10 years from now. Keep watching our videos so you get educated and know what's going to happen, not today, but tomorrow. This has been another GTA Homes exclusive. Remember to subscribe and to visit us at gtahomes.com.